How to fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in Windows 10. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in Windows 10. Alright, so let's begin. If you're facing this problem, stick till the end with the video. So first thing first, go to your search bar and search for device manager. After that, open it up and you will this type of interface. Here you will see bunch of options. Simply go to the bottom and look for this option called sound video and game controller. Once found, expand it and here right click on this Realtek audio and then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall all, and that's it, you are done. Your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in Windows 10. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.